4 dumpy bags full of waste. We landed at the job 9 o'clock. We're leaving now at 10 past 1. What's the big give for the job?
Good morning YouTube, what is happening? Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you're all doing well. Here we go again, back at it, back on the job. As you can see, Neil's hitting this pivot hedge, and for a change we've got a decent pivot hedge already, cut some decent enough shit, so I'm sure we can do a pretty good job on it. So sit back, relax, hope you enjoy. Nice to get a decent, healthy enough hedge now and again, isn't it?
It still looks like it was cut back well, hey, but this was thicker.
It's cut in spring, but it was cut in spring by the looks of it the last time. There's not too much growth on it. It's in good nick, so confident enough of doing a nice tidy job in this hedge.
So there's kind of a wee line you can see starting to appear, and the hedge would have been here, and then this wee part, you'd ideally like to let it go out, but it's far too thin.
Yeah.
And so it has to come in, but you know, the bevel's wrong on it. You want the apex out the way, whereas this is going the opposite way.
So we're just going with a natural line of the hedge there?
Going with a natural line until this thickens out a wee bit, and then you could do something about it. It's too thin at the minute, hey.
That looks alright to me guys, especially here in Derry, to be honest. A lot of hedges, 90% of hedges are butchered. They're absolutely battered. So this one's in pretty decent enough nick. Neil's on the board, eh folks? Cleaning up as it goes along, eh?
You know when you have to clean it all together.
That's it there, that's the look you want to be going for. No straggly bits. This hedge here, it's not perfect. The line ain't good on it. So as you can see here, it's not too bad here, and then it goes up a hole here. So I'm going to whack into this now, but I'm going to go on the inside and do it. I can see it better then from the inside. I have a better line, I can see what I'm looking at, and I'm not stretching. So we'll get that done now. Guys, here I'm hitting this fuchsia. Look at the size of it. just get out of hand. So the trim these fuchsias back good and hard, and they'll come back next year and flower, not a problem. As you can see here, there's some flowers already on it. And that's the little seed pods, little fuchsia seed pods for next year. All them seeds. So, not this hard. Tip for cleaning up leaves quickly. Watch and see. It's another job done, guys. So most will be good for the job. 4 dumpy bags of waste. We're leaving at 1:10 Stick it in the comment section. All the gardeners in the UK, what would you charge for this job? So I'm just going to swing the camera around now and show you the finish that we left. So we've hit this privet hedge. I've trimmed back this fuchsia. I've hit this hydrangea here. We've trimmed this fuchsia. Ilex holly bush, we've trimmed that. So that looks a decent enough job to me, folks. I am happy enough with that. So as a gardener, trust me, you always want to do the best job possible, because one bad job and they go and tell 10 people. One good job, tell nobody. Say one good job, they tell 3 people. So always make sure and do a good job. If you don't want to do a good job, you're in the wrong game. It's all about customer satisfaction gardening. When they see a good job, that's what they want. So there's my line on this hedge. Nice. I always say, if you would eat your dinner off a hedge, that means it's a good hedge. It's well cut. Not that you're going to be eating your dinner off a hedge, mind you. What lunatic would? So that's it, guys. I'm going to stick it in the comment section how much we got for this job. So stay tuned for more content coming your way.